خبرة مش في الصيدلة وبس وفي الماركتينج بتهيألي عندها خبرة كبيرة في كل مجالات أقسام الإدارة والماركتينج. اليوم طبعا حتحكي لنا، هي طبعا مسؤولة كمان عن مركز التدريب الصحي والتعليم المستمر في هيئة الصحة في دبي، وأكيد طبعا حتمتعنا اليوم بكلمة منها وتقدم لنا نفسها أحسن ممكن وتحكي لنا أحسن معنا. دكتورة مروة تفضلي.
It gives me a great pleasure being here today. The first Mena Digital Pharma is an exciting topic to be attending and hosting as from Dubai Health Authority. We are partners in this amazing platform with amazing topics and speakers. So I'm very proud to be here. Many thanks for the invitation. I'll be giving you a very small brief on the medical education and research in Dubai, being the head of the medical training section in the Dubai Health Authority. So basically we follow the lead of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the UAE Vice President and the Prime Minister and the ruler of Dubai, saying that the investment in education means investment in the lasting peace and security, which our people undoubtedly deserve. So basically what happens in the medical research and medical education research department is that we have used an external experts to interview and have meetings with various stakeholders and identify the challenges that are there in the Emirate of Dubai in terms of medical education and research, and we came up with main strategic objectives. Those objectives I will not talk about in very specific details, but will be reflected in the operations that will be discussed later on. So based on those strategic objectives, we have 8 strategic imperatives. All of them leads to building an integrated clinical, academic and research ecosystem in the Emirate of Dubai. And in July 2021, the law number 13 has been established to launch and to have the Dubai Academic Health Corporation. This corporation has reflected on the strategy and the main goals that we have in the research, the medical education and research department. So basically, the objectives of having this corporation focuses on having an academic health system and focuses on the education and scientific research. So basically, as a medical education and research department, and based on the current system that we work on, we have 3 sections in the department, and we're part of Dubai Health Authority. The first one is the medical research section, the medical training section, and the medical education section. I'll be giving you a very small brief on each of those sections, and of course, if you have any question, you can do that. At the beginning, the medical research section, they provide the research and the biostatistics trainings for all interested parties and interested physicians in the Emirate of Dubai who are interested in research, basically. We also, in this section, process the research requests to be submitted to the Dubai Scientific Research Ethics Committee, and I have added the link there for the people who are interested to explore on how to submit those applications. We also have the authority to do the quality check and quality assurance on the clinical trials in the Emirate of Dubai. We manage the Dubai, we have 2 journals that are recognized in the Emirate of Dubai. One of them is the Diabetes and Metabolism Journal, and the other one is the Dubai Medical Journal. We have one of the biggest e-libraries in the Emirate of Dubai, and of course it's a hub that we would like to encourage all healthcare providers to subscribe and be part of this very rich platform. With regards to the medical education section, we manage around 9 fellowship programs in the Emirate of Dubai and Dubai Health Authority, and we run the Dubai Medical Specialty programs, that's residency programs. We have 17 approved programs currently. We also manage the internship programs for dental and medical fellows and colleagues in the medical field. We host international exams. Actually, we have MRC CGP exams running today and tomorrow. So we just came out from that just right now. We run scholarship programs for the Dubai Health Authority's medical staff who wish to continue and get specialized in specific areas. And we have a very unique and special program. I kept it for the last, to speak with. We would like to encourage the medical, the students to enroll in medical fields. So we have the medicine and science sponsorship program where we encourage the high school students to enroll and get a full scholarship on their tuition in allied health and medicine, and then they get employed in the Dubai Health Authority. And the last section is my section, the medical training section. We manage here the clinical attachment, and that's the undergraduates and the gap of practice that's required for the licensing for the medical and healthcare providers. So we manage that within the DHA facilities. We run and we manage the conferences, the workshops, the training programs in the Emirate of Dubai. We're trying to centralize all of those activities and provide a platform and a hub for all healthcare providers to access those events. So we have launched the Mena e-learning management tool, which has some e-learning material that can be accessed by everyone. And in that platform, we have the medical education calendar. So this was launched approximately 2 months ago, and it's a calendar that has all CME programs available in Dubai, or almost most of them. So we try to encourage people, whoever has any CME, non-CME program, anything related to medical education and training, to post on that platform and have it more accessible for all healthcare providers. We also manage the CME accreditation, CPD accreditation, and also the facilities and the programs that are medical programs accredited with the collaboration with the KHDA. So relevant authorities are there, and we try to solve most of the questions and answer them for the people who would like to start having programs established in the Emirate of Dubai. We run also the simulation and training activities in the Emirate of Dubai with the law number 13 that had been established. So we got merged with many entities in the Emirate of Dubai. One of them is NBRU, who have a very big simulation center. So we have collaborated with them. We integrated our simulation center with them to have more stronger programs. And this collaboration, of course, will proceed as we are now one family, and will benefit the Emirate of Dubai healthcare providers as well as international providers as well. In terms of digital now, this is the thing that I wanted to emphasize on. Dubai is moving towards a paperless government, and that's an objective that will be reached maximum by 2021. So we have all of our systems and operations digitalized. And with all the operations that I've spoken about, we are automating, or most of them are already automated, and we are developing and having those systems more user-friendly to accommodate the needs of education and research in the Emirate of Dubai. I've had a screenshot of the Mena portal, the medical education. So if you can see on the screen, once you click on the date itself, it gives you whatever conference is available on the given day, and you can access it and see what events you can participate in on that day. That's all from my side, and I would like to thank you again. And if you have any question, I'll be pleased to answer them.
Thank you, Dr. Marwa. I will wait for questions, but yet I don't see them. So, and okay, you said about all of digital ways to, and I have one question for you.
Yeah.
How can that beautiful lady make that experience, make that all that in this big authority?
Thank you so much. So basically we have a team that are full of energy, and they're very enthusiastic and very well engaged in all of the operations there. So we have like around monthly or weekly meetings to tell them that we are standing on this position. How can we reach there? We do the brainstorming and we give the projects to each assigned team. That's why you can see like too much of a progress and the implementation of the new initiatives, digitalization. Whenever we have any like doubts from the participants or complaints, we try to accommodate that, and like if one person asks about it, it means that everyone might have the same question. So we try to make it more accessible, more viewable by most healthcare providers that we have, and those are our target audience.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Questions?
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.